Hello everyone, welcome to the Royal Palace PU College online classes. So in last class we have discussed about the introduction about electrophilic substitution reaction. So electrophilic substitution reaction, so the aromatic amines, they are more reactive towards the electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reaction. So already we know that the electrophiles are the electron deficient species and nucleophiles are the electron rich species. Now here the electrophilic substitution reaction in case of aromatic amine. So let us, I will take one example. So that is aniline. So aniline having here, in case of aniline, the nitrogen having what here? Lone pair of electrons on the top of the nitrogen atoms. And this is an easily donate what here? Lone pair of electrons to the benzene ring. Because the benzene ring is an electron withdrawing group. So for this what happen? So this lone pair of electrons which are not easily available. For the donation. So here what happened? So this lone pair of electron which are donated to the what here? Benzene ring, and the ring which get what here? Activated. So hence the NH2 group, it is an ring activators, is called what here? Ring activators. Because so the NH2 group which donate a unshared pair of electrons which are present on the nitrogen atoms, so which donate to the benzene ring, hence the ring get what here? Activated. Hence the NH2 group is called what here? Ring activators. And this NH2 group, it is an ortho and para directing group. So here the already we know about this resonance structure of this aniline. So after observing this resonance structure in previous video, we have observed that so ortho and para position we have what here? More electron density. After writing resonance structure of aniline, so we will come to know that at ortho and para position we have more electron density. So for that reason what happen? Incoming electrophile which get attached to the ortho and para position only, because the electrophiles are electron deficient species. So hence the electrophile which get attached to the electron rich position. So okay, ortho and para positions are electron rich positions. So after writing resonance structure we will come to know that. So hence the NH2 group which direct the electrophile, incoming electrophile, so towards the ortho and para position, only because of ortho and para position they have what here? More electron density. Okay, so now here, so the first one also, the electrophilic substitution reaction in case of nitration, we have observed that so nitration, when aniline react with concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4, so that gives what here? Nitroaniline. So either that gives what here? Ortho derivative or para derivative, or here ortho and para derivatives are obtained. But here what happened? So that I have given one example. So sorry, bromination. First one, bromination. Now here, so when aniline that will undergo bromination, so that gives what here? 2, 4, 6. So already we have discussed this bromination. Okay, 2, 4, 6 tribromo derivatives are obtained. Here what happened? 3 substituted products will be formed. So this is because of what here? More activity of this NH2 group. Okay, so to get what here? So single products. So especially, so by decreasing the activity of NH2 group, we will get what here? Ortho and para derivatives. And the para derivative is more, I mean major product. Para derivative is major product. So here tribromo 2, 4, 6 derivatives, tribromo benzene derivative obtained for the benzene, tribromo benzene. So here we will get what here? 3 substituted product, only because what here? More activity of this NH2 group. So when we are going to decrease the activity of NH2 group, so we will get what here? Ortho or para product. ortho or para product, but so that major product is what here? Para product only, major product. Para product is major product. So the activity of NH2 group reduced by the acetylation. Activity of aniline, so NH2 group is reduced by the acetylation by using acetic anhydride or acetyl chloride. So let us, I will write here aniline, so that will goes what here? Acetylation by using acetic anhydride. So this is CS3 CO O C double bond O CS3, acetic anhydride. So here, so that will undergo what here? Acetylation. So there is a introduction of what here? COCH3 group, acyl group. So that is, I will write here acetanilide structure, NHCO CH3, NHCO CH3 plus here CH3 COOH. Okay, so this is an acetylated product. Now here what happened? So due to this presence of carbonyl group, so this lone pair of electrons which are involved in here, okay, so it will less available for this donation. So for this reason activity of NH2 group is reduced. Okay, so here the activity is reduced due to what here? These lone pair of electrons which are involved in this resonance. Okay, due to this presence of oxygen that is more electronegative than carbon, so hence, so this carbon, it is an electrophilic in nature. So this lone pair of electrons which are involved in resonance like this, so let us, I will write here, so this will shift electron here, so the NH plus then single bond CO minus then what here? CH3. So after this what happen? So resonance can be takes place. After this resonance can be takes place. So like this way, so the lone pair of electron which are present on the top of the nitrogen, which are not directly which will not give directly to the benzene ring. So for that reason what here? The activity of NH2 group is reduced. So by reducing the activity of NH2 group, we will get a para derivative is a major product. So if you are not going to do acetylation, so then the NH2 group is more reactive. So that gives what here? Tri substituted product. Okay, so to reduce the activity, so we have to do what here? Acetylation. Okay, so after acetylation, so the activity of NH2 group becomes what here? Less. Okay, so now here I will write the reaction. So let us, I will take the example aniline. Aniline react with acetylation. Okay, so acetylation, aniline undergo acetylation. So I will take either acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride. So I will write here acetic anhydride. For the acetylation you have to take acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride. Now here what happened? Again the aniline undergo acetylation, that gives what here? Acetanilide. Acetanilide. Okay, same reaction, NH, then here NH, this group will substitute there, COCH3, acetanilide is formed plus what here? CH3 COH. Okay, so now here, so this acetanilide, so that is treated with bromine, so that is what here? Para bromo acetanilide and ortho bromo acetanilide. But here the major product is what here? Major product is para bromo acetanilide. Okay, so now here this acetanilide, the reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction is this one I have given. The example is bromination. Okay, now here the bromination, so for this acetanilide, so when it react with bromine in acetic acid, so that gives what here? Para bromo acetanilide. Para bromo acetanilide. This is an major product, para bromo acetanilide. So after this, so this will undergo acid hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis. This will undergo acid hydrolysis. So here this will undergo acid hydrolysis. So that gives what here? para-bromo-aniline. So that is NH2, H here, OH this side, so NH2 plus what here, CH3 COOH. Okay, so this is the major product. So even though we will get what here, orthobromo aniline also, but that is an minor product. Okay, so here before going to this bromination, here we have to do what here, acetylation, because to reduce the activity of NH2 group. So if you are not going to do acetylation, then the product will be, so when aniline directly get brominated, so that use what here, tribromo derivative you will get. So to reduce that one, you have to do what here, acetylation. So after acetylation, the activity of NH2 group will be get reduced. So because as I told, the lone pair of electron which are present on the top of the nitrogen atom, which are not readily gives the electron to the benzene ring, so before that, that is involved in the resonance. I have shown here. So after this, what happened, so when the acetylation can be done, so this name of this product is acetanilide. So after acetanilide, so you have to do what here, bromination. So then we will get what here, the para-bromo acetanilide. So this one, para-bromo acetanilide, so which will undergo hydrolysis. So breaking of bond can be takes place in presence of water. So this side I have written H and here OH. So the product is what here, so para-bromo aniline. This is a major product, and here we will get also a orthobromo derivatives also, but that is an minor product. Okay, so this is a reaction about what here, electrophilic substitution reaction, especially I have given example bromine. Okay, so similarly, I will go for the second one reaction, nitration. So nitration, when aniline react with concentrated HNO3, nitric acid and sulfuric acid, so we will get what here, para-nitroaniline, orthonitroaniline, and also we will get what here, a meta-nitroaniline in very smaller quantity. Due to formation of what here, anilinium ion, so after protonation, so there is a possibility of what here, meta product also, but after acetylation the activity will be get reduced. Here also the major product is what here, para-nitroaniline is an major product. Okay, so here when aniline react with a concentrated HNO3, nitric acid and H2SO4, so we will get what here, para-nitroaniline, orthonitroaniline and meta-nitroaniline, but the para-nitroaniline is an major product. So for that, so for to take a major product, for you get the major product, that is para product, so you have to do what here, acetylation. Okay, so I will take the example. So I will write the general reaction. So aniline react with concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4, so we will get all these product, ortho, para, meta product, substituted product, NH2, NO2, so this is an ortho product, and we will also get what here, para product, and in very small percentage we will get what here, meta product also. To avoid this one, so the activity of NH2 can be reduced by using acetylation reaction. Okay, so I will write here the reaction. So when aniline, so this is an general reaction, so I will write here the nitration reaction in case of what here, aromatic amine. Now I will write aniline. First you have to do acetylation by using acetic anhydride, CH3, C double bond O, then what here, C double bond O, CH3. So what happened, so again here acyl group, that is COCH3 group, so that will get introduced, so we will get what here, acetanilide. Okay, so NH, then here introduction of acyl group CO, CH3 plus here CH3 COOH. Okay, so after getting acetanilide, you have to do what here, nitration. Okay, nitration. So nitration can be done here after getting acetylation. So when here acetanilide CHO, CO, CH3, so react with concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid, we will get what here, a para nitroacetanilide. So that is a major product. Okay, para nitroacetanilide. So HNO3 and H2SO4 are the nitrating mixture. Okay, so I will write here NHCO CH3 para nitroacetanilide. Okay, acetanilide. So which undergo again hydrolysis in presence of acid. So again breaking of bond can be takes place. So here formation of what here, para nitroaniline. So this is an major product, para nitroaniline. So even though we will get a ortho nitroaniline in smaller percentage, but here the para nitroaniline is an it is an major product. Aniline, it is major product. Okay, so here the para nitroaniline is major product. So the only this product will be formed only because of what here, when we are going to reduce the activity of NH2 group by the acetylation. So this is an second one reaction. So if you are not going to do acetylation, you will get all these derivatives, ortho, para, meta. But when we are going to reduce the activity of NH2 group by acetylation, so we will get what here, the para nitroaniline, it is an major product. Okay, so when aniline react with acetic anhydride or acetyl chloride, we will get what here, acetanilide. So acetanilide, so when it is treated with concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4, these are the nitrating mixture. So there is a formation of what here, para nitroacetanilide. So after getting para nitroacetanilide, so that will undergo hydrolysis, we will get what here, para nitroaniline, which is an major product. So this is an nitration reaction. So next one, sulfonation reaction. So here sulfonation, when aniline, so that is react with concentrated H2SO4, so we will get what here, nitronium hydrogen sulfate. Okay, anilinium hydrogen sulfate, sorry. So when aniline is react with concentrated H2SO4, okay, so anilinium hydrogen sulfate will be formed. Now here one of the hydrogen that will get substituted here, so that will become NH3 plus, remaining HSO4 minus. Okay, now here, so this is an anilinium hydrogen sulfate, anilinium hydrogen sulfate. So which is again treated with the concentrated sulfuric acid, okay, around temperature 553 to 573 Kelvin, 573 Kelvin. So we will get what here, so this is SO3H NH2. Okay, sulfanilic acid. So this one, sulfanilic acid. Okay, so sulfanic acid. So due to internal salt formation, this sulfanilic acid, which is act as an deuterion, because which contains what here, both amino group, NH2 group, and acidic group. So there is a internal salt formation can be takes place, transfer of this hydrogen towards the NH2 group. Now there is a internal salt formation can be takes place in case of sulfanic acid, sulfanilic acid. Hence this is called what here, deuterion. So this is called deuterion. Okay, so this is an sulfonation reaction, when aniline react with concentrated sulfuric acid. So that gives what here, anilinium hydrogen sulfate, which is further treated with what here, again concentrated sulfuric acid at 553 to 573 Kelvin temperature. We will get what here, sulfanilic acid. So here this reaction is called what here, sulfonation reaction. So this is an example for, another one example for electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay. Okay. So here next one concept, that is diazonium salts. So diazonium salts having general formula, here I have written aryl N2 plus X minus. So Ar means aryl group, N2 means diazo group, halide this one, X minus means halide group. So this is a general formula for the diazonium salt. So Ar means aryl, so N2 means diazo group, X minus is halide group. Hence the diazonium salt general formula is Ar N2 plus X minus. Okay. So now here preparation. So diazonium salt preparation. So aniline mixed with the HCl. So here aniline mixed with dilute HCl, so cooled at 273 Kelvin temperature. So for the solution, so we are going to add cold concentrated nitric acid. So here after adding this cold concentrated nitric acid, the temperature that should be maintained around 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin. So here what happened? So benzene diazonium chloride is formed. Benzene diazonium chloride is formed. So already we know the diazotization definition in previous video. Okay, the conversion of, that is aromatic amine into benzene diazonium salts. So that is called what here? Diazotization. Okay, so here I have written, so for this we need what here? Nitric acid. So the nitric acid which is unstable, so it is prepared, sorry, nitrous acid which is unstable, which is prepared whenever it is required. Okay. So here that is prepared by the action of sodium nitrite plus HCl. So we will get what here? HNO2. Now aniline react with nitrous acid and HCl. So we will get what here? Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Diazotization is the conversion of aromatic amine into benzene diazonium salt, is called what here? Diazotization. Okay. So now here the physical properties of diazonium salts. So benzene diazonium chloride, it is an colorless crystalline solid and it is readily soluble in water in cold condition, but when it is warm, so that is react with the water. And next one, it is decomposed easily in dry state. And benzene diazonium fluoroborate, which is insoluble in water and stable at the room temperature. So these are the physical properties of benzene diazonium salt. Okay. So here the next one, that is chemical properties. Chemical properties. So here the chemical properties, here the chemical properties reactions which are categorized into two types. The one is reaction involving displacement of diazo group. Now here in this reaction what happen, in such type of reaction what happen, the diazo group N2 can be replaced. And the second one is there, the reaction involving retention of diazo group. So in such type of reaction there is a retention of N2 group, diazo group. So already I have told that N2 means what here? Diazo group. Here the first one method, that is reaction involving displacement of diazo group. Reaction, the first one method. So we have some reactions, so in which what happen? Reaction, the first one, reaction involving displacement of diazo group. So now the replacement of diazo group can be done by using halides or cyanide ions. Okay. So when benzene diazonium chloride heated with HCl or KCN or HBr in presence of cuprous ion, so corresponding substituted product is formed. So these reactions are called what here? This reaction is called what here? Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction. This reaction is called what here? Sandmeyer reaction. Okay. So here what happened? When benzene diazonium chloride reheated with what here? HCl in presence of cuprous chloride. Now here cuprous chloride in HCl, that gives what here? Chlorobenzene. In presence of cuprous bromide and HBr, that gives what here? Bromobenzene. And here in presence of copper cyanide in KCN, corresponding KCN in presence of cuprous ion. So there is a formation of what here? Cyanobenzene or benzene nitriles. Okay. So this type of reactions are called what is Sandmeyer reaction. Now here only what happen, so displacement of this N2 group, okay, so displacement of N2 group, here I will take one reaction only. So benzene diazonium chloride treated with what here, HCl in presence of cuprous chloride, that gives what here, chlorobenzene, and here displacement of N2 group, diazo group can be takes place. So this reaction comes under what here, first category. Now here same thing, when benzene diazonium chloride heated with HBr in presence of cuprous bromide, so there is a formation of what here, bromobenzene with displacement of what here, diazo group. Reaction involving displacement of diazo group. Here in both the cases we are going to observe that there is a displacement of what here, diazo group. So these reactions are called what here, Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction. Okay. Now here, so again introduction of chlorine and bromine can be done by using a copper powder. Copper powder. Here we are going to use what here, cuprous ion. So the next one, same thing, introduction of here chlorine and bromine and cyano group can be done by treated with what here, HCl, HBr, HCN. So we will get what here, corresponding substituted product. So if you are going to use cuprous chloride in HCl, there is a formation of chlorobenzene. So when benzene diazonium chloride treated with what here, HCl in presence of cuprous chloride, there is a formation of chlorobenzene with displacement of what here, diazo group. So when benzene diazonium chloride treated with what here, HBr in presence of cuprous bromide, so there is a formation of bromination with displacement of what here, diazo group. So these are what here, Sandmeyer reaction. So same reaction here. So benzene also introduced by what here, chlorine and bromine. Okay. So by using what here, a corresponding hydrogen halide in presence of what here, copper powder. So this reaction is called what here, Gutterman reaction. Gutterman reaction. Okay. So I will write here Gutterman reaction. Gutterman reaction. Now here in case of Gutterman reaction, same thing, introduction of what here, chlorine and bromine to the benzene ring by the displacement of what here, N2 group. Only we are going to use what here, a copper powder in presence of HCl. So let us, I will write the reaction, benzene diazonium chloride. Okay. So treated with what here, copper HCl in presence of copper powder. So here what happened, so there is a formation of what here, chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. Okay. Chlorobenzene plus replacement of what here, displacement of this diazo group. Okay. So plus here again there is a elimination of what here, HCl molecule can be takes place. So this is a general, that is reaction. Okay. Now here, so I will write here one more reaction for the Gutterman reaction. Same thing. So when benzene diazonium chloride treated with hydrogen bromide in presence of copper powder. So in case of Sandmeyer reaction, we are going to use cuprous ion. Here copper powder. So that is Gutterman reaction. So we will get what here. So corresponding this halogen, bromobenzene with displacement of diazo group, here HCl. So this is a Gutterman reaction. Okay. So next one, the third one case, replacement of iodine, introduction of iodide group. Okay. And displacement of what here, diazo group. Replacement of, next one, third one reaction, replacement of diazo group by iodine by iodine. Now introduction of iodine to the benzene ring, it is very difficult. Very difficult. Directly introduction of iodine to the benzene ring, it is very difficult. So when benzene diazonium chloride react with potassium iodide potassium iodide. So here introduction of iodine can be takes place. Introduction of iodine can be takes place. Now iodobenzene is formed, plus here replacement of what here, diazo group, that is N2, plus remaining thing, so KCl. Okay, so this is the reaction comes under the what here, replacement of diazo group. Reaction involving what here, replacement of diazo group. Here in the, this is a third case. Now already we have seen two reactions, Sandmeyer reaction and Gutterman reaction. So in case of Sandmeyer reaction, introduction of cyanide group or bromine group or chlorine group to the benzene ring in presence of cuprous ion. In Gutterman reaction, here what happened, again introduction of what here, chlorine and bromine to the benzene ring in presence of what here, copper powder. This is third case. The again replacement of diazo group by the, by the iodine. So iodine which is not introduced easily to the benzene ring. For that, when benzene diazonium chloride react with potassium iodide, so there is a introduction of what here, iodine can be takes place. So here there is a formation of what here, iodobenzene. Okay, so this is third case. So next one, the fourth case, that is replacement of diazo group. Replacement of diazo group and by the fluoride ion. Replacement of diazo group by fluoride ion. Replacement of diazo group by fluoride ion. So when benzene diazonium chloride react with fluoroboric acid HBF4. Okay, so now here what happened, introduction of fluorine to the benzene ring can be takes place. Okay, now here F, and here replacement, that is diazo group, that is N2, plus remaining thing, so there is a HCl can be eliminated. So this H and that is Cl, and remaining thing BF3, boron trifluoride, because one of the fluorine which get what here, introduced into the benzene ring. So there is a formation of what here, fluorobenzene. Okay, so here the replacement of diazo group by iodine. Benzene diazonium chloride react with potassium iodide, so that gives what here, iodobenzene. Again here replacement of diazonium group can be takes place. Here replacement of diazo group by fluoride ion. So here benzene diazonium chloride react with what here, fluoroboric acid, fluoroboric acid. So here there is a formation of what here, fluorobenzene with replacement of what here, diazo group. Okay, so these are the reactions. So next one reaction, here replacement by hydrogen atom, replacement by hydrogen atom. Okay, next one, replacement by hydrogen atom, replacement of diazo group by hydrogen atom. So here certain reducing agents like hypophosphorus acid, that is H3PO2. So that will get what here, itself oxidize and it reduce what here, so benzene diazonium chloride to arenes. Now here the benzene diazonium chloride, that is C6H5N2 plus Cl, so that is react with what here, hypophosphorus acid, so H3PO2. So that will reduce what here, this benzene diazonium chloride to arene, so that will become what here, C6H6. Okay, so one of the hydrogen get adds here, so that will become what here, C6H6, and what happen, so this will get oxidized again. So that will become oxidized, means addition of oxygen, that will become what here, H3PO3. So remaining thing, so there is a HCl and there is a replacement of what here, diazo group. So this is one of the reaction. Similarly here I have taken one more example. So ethanol, benzene diazonium chloride, that is react with what here, ethanol. So this will undergo oxidize and this will reduce what here, this salt. So automatically that will become what here, so arenes, benzene ring. and here, so ethanol becomes what here? Ethanol. And remaining thing with here upon the replacement of what here? Diazo group. Now here replacement of that diazo group by hydroxyl group. Same thing here. So that will, when temperature rises what here more than 273 Kelvin, the salt hydrolyzed, that use what here? Phenol. Now the benzene diazoxide chloride, that will undergo hydrolysis, that use what here? Phenol. Now replacement of only what here? Diazo group, substitution of what here? OH group. Now one of the, H2O, from H2O OH group gets substitute here, remaining H, that is combined with HCl and with replacement of what here? Diazo group. So this is reaction. Next one, replacement of NO2, replacement by NO2 group, diazo group, which is replaced by what here? NO2 group. Same thing. So again with replacement of what here? Diazo group can be takes place, and here introduction of what here? NO2 group can be takes place. Okay. So here benzene diazonium chloride, so react with what here? Fluoroboric acid. So that gives what here? So this product. After this, when this react with sodium nitrate in presence of copper catalyst, here only thing is what here? The introduction of what here? NO2 group can be takes place, and replacement of what here? Diazo group. Now these are the reactions which involve what here? Replacement of diazo group. And the next one category, that is reaction which involving what here? That is retention of diazo group. So here the diazo group get what here? Retained. So what we discussed here in this reaction, there is a replacement of diazo group can be takes place. The last category reaction in case of chemical properties, that is reaction involving what here? Retention of diazo group. Retention of diazo group. So here I have written the reaction involving retention of diazo group. So let us, I will take one example. Here I already written. So benzene diazonium chloride, so react with what here? Phenol. So this is an phenol. So here what happened? The diazo group which gets substitute here. So for that replacement of hydrogen atom can be takes place. Now here removal of what here? HCl can be takes place. Now the product is what here? This benzene ring, then diazo group. Next here, this is benzene ring phenol, para hydroxy diazobenzene, para hydroxy diazobenzene. So here retention of N2 group can be takes place. Similarly, if you take the aniline, so when benzene diazonium chloride react with aniline, same reaction. Again here retention of diazo group can be takes place. Again here removal of what here? HCl can be takes place. So this is benzene as it is, and here N2 as it is, retention. So the diazo group which get what here? Retention. Now the product is what here? The product is same thing. I will write here. This is, and again aniline NH2 as it is. The product name is para amino diazobenzene. The product name is para amino diazobenzene. So these are the chemical properties. There are two categories. One is replacement of diazo group. Another one is retention of diazo group. Okay. So with this chapter get completed. I will stop here. Thank you.